So why does the iPhone not film upside down? Let me explain how it works and show you what you can do about it technically. So if this is your first time on this channel, subscribe and that way you're not going to miss anything important in the future. Okay, so what you're gonna do first of all is that make sure you don't have the locking for orientation enabled in the control center, right? So there's the orientation lock. Make sure it's not selected, and that way you'll be able to rotate your phone to the left or right inside of the camera, and of course capture horizontal or vertical photos and videos based on the orientation of your phone. However, it's not possible to flip the iPhone upside down and film a the vertical video, but upside down. This doesn't work, right? But it's not that big of a deal actually, because you can capture your video in basically any orientation that you want, right? You can like completely disregard the, orientation lock or anything like that. Just capture your video in any way you want because you have the ability to then go to the photos, tap on your video, go to the edits, and then tap on the cropping tool, which lets you rotate it as much as you want. So if the photo was in the horizontal position, you can rotate it to a completely different one, right? You can turn it into a vertical video or any way around, right? So just make sure that whatever you want to capture just fits into the frame that you actually recorded the way that you want, and you can adjust the orientation later in the gallery, as that's not that big of a deal. So let me know in the comments below what exactly you wanted to achieve, or if you managed to do what you planned on doing, right? So subscribe for more explanation videos like this one, and I'll see you later. So thanks a lot, and I'm gonna talk to you in the upcoming videos as well.